Hi friends, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are all fine. Today we'll see in this video. Stylish and unique landscaping ideas, garden decoration designs. Today we'll see in this videos beautiful modern garden decorations ideas in 2025. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos. And you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. We will see in this videos top stylish and unique landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching these videos till the end. If you like my videos, so viewers downloaded my videos and you like this one, top stylish garden decoration designs, landscaping ideas. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos till the end. Many more beautiful ideas we'll explore in this videos till the end. Fabulous and attractive and stylish creative home decorations ideas, garden decorations ideas, landscaping designs. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos till the end. Watch my full videos and enjoy all creative landscaping designs. So I hope you liked all stylish and trending unique garden decorations ideas. Many more beautiful ideas we'll explore in this videos till the end. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch my full videos and enjoy all stylish and trending landscaping designs. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring attractive and trending landscaping designs.